Hello friends, welcome to my channel and my new video. Hi everyone, today we're going to learn the names of 10 animals and their reactions. Let's start now. First animal's name, elephant.
Hey, I am elephant. I am very strong.
Second animal's name is fox.
Hey, I am fox. I am very clever.
Third animal's name is horse.
Hey, I am horse. I am very fast.
Fourth animal's name is zebra.
Hey, I am zebra. I am very beautiful animals.
Fifth animal's name is lion.
Hey, I am lion, the forest king.
Sixth animal's name is tiger.
Hey, I am tiger. I am very dangerous.
Seventh animal's name is bear.
Hey, I am bear and I am a magician.
Eighth animal's name is dog.
Hey, I am dog. I am very honest.
Ninth animal's name is monkey.
Hey, I am monkey. I am very naughty.
10th animal's name is giraffe.
Hey, I'm a giraffe. I'm the biggest animal in the jungle. So friends, how did you all like the names of these 10 animals? Please do let us know in the comments. Bye-bye!